Hi, I'm John Mann. I'm the Startup and Investor Program Manager here at Grand Farm. Today we're just outside of Castleton and we're installing some sensors. So today we're deploying sensors as part of a USDA project where we're testing different ones that are available on the market right now, assessing accuracy and ease of installation. Some of them are really easy, some of them are really hard. So we had three major goals with the Sensor Sandbox. Goal number one was to demonstrate different types of connectivity. So we have a 4G, 5G tower, we've got LoRaWAN, we're working on satellite, basically all the different options that farmers are going to have to get their devices connected. Our second focus is on sensor types that are available. So we've deployed a lot over there by our 4G, 5G tower. Today we're going to be doing more precipitation buckets. And then goal three is really focused on what does a real world deployment look like. So if you don't have good connectivity, if you have challenging clay soils like we do, what kind of adjustments does a farmer have to make this technology work on their farm? Solar powered, cellular, so we don't have any data log or anything like that. It just goes right up to the cloud to their field climate platform. So this post is for our Coco Raws rain gauge. It's actually a different brand, it's Tropa or something like that, but it's the measurement standard for rain gauges. It's kind of universally accepted. You might notice here that we have an angle cut here. The precipitation gauge, when we get it on there, is going to go right here. This is designed so that we don't have any water that would hit a flat surface and then bounce into the gauge.